Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and dive with the practical in this tutorials. How to go for your Gmail recovery in case you have lost your Gmail password, lost your device, or someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID, hacked your Gmail ID. In that conditions, also you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number because of these things. Then, what's the alternative way? What's alternative approach to recover or rescue your Gmail ID? We will see in the live here. This idea, unfortunately, this viewer who has lost and recommended to SP Slam the recovers in this ID. So we will see here how easily this can be recovered. So we are on a Google to the sign in, and simply just we will tap on a next and see here the consequences. It is asking password, but we don't have a password, so we will tap on it. And upon, of course, what we will see here, it is just scrolling and asking here some Google one to make sure it's really verify you in that trap. So we don't have the phone number because of losing this device. Now, so essentially that especially I did not provide enough information for the Google to do this. So this account is really nice. How the Google ask, especially for this info to keep secure your account further. So if you would like to recover from that, how would I go for now further? If I click here multiple times to try again, and then of course one option will be open after multiple times to try again, and then Google will contact you, and in that condition, by getting that opportunity, you will have to buy a different email, give us some evidence proof document, legally add into there. On the basis of Google will endorse to justify that and this is your account. But on the other hand, if you don't have, then you won't be. And if you are able to submit of these things, then what will happen, guys, after 48 hours, then corollary and the consequences, you will get a result of that you are eligible to reset your password or not on the basis of your submitter. Yes, on the basis of your submission documents. Now, especially what we will do if we don't approach by that way, then quickly, of course, you can recover this accounts. But how it is possible? Simply just we will have to cut it from here, and you will have to come to the Play Store. In the Play Store, we have the one browser, that's especially Shoal browser. Of course, we will go for installation. So it has started to install. On the other hand, what we will do, guys, here, let's see, just we will cut it from scarcely it's a 12 MB. So two things that we need urgent change. Just we will go for in a SP Slime and Google browser. In the Google browser, especially, just we will go for in a notification. We will have to make the allow disable, so that any verification these things will not be attended. Sorry, let me cut it from here once again, guys. Here once again we will come on here, hold that, and after holding, of course, we can come on especially the settings, and we will come the permission notification already blocked. So now we'll navigate to SP Slimes in this the precise location off and click on don't allow. So if you don't allow, so then what will happen, so guys, it's essential that if you deny this permission, basic feature of your device may be no longer function as intended. That's thing I wanted. So just we will cut it from here now, and these things similar we will have to go for approach on especially this Chrome browser also, guys, and see how it will be a recover. Just we will do step by step, guys. Just in notification here is also allowed. You will have especially take any smartphones, and of course go for recover your Gmail ID. Don't worry, especially don't have to be especially on the worry or anxiety. Now here, of course, all the data will be safe. Now here, just we will come the permission. We will go for here, remove the permission, and thereupon of course we will go for in the location there. Of course we will have to click on don't allow anyway, and thereupon of course make it disable the precise location. So this one now done off. We'll have to back one more time. Yes, one more time. And there is the default browser. This thing especially we will have to fix in this browser, and thereupon now see what will happen here the magic. Just we will go for here. Particularly this browser, we try to especially go for the because of course we have done. So that's why actually I'm telling you here. Now here we have directly go for Google approach, and in Google approach there we need especially to go for here. Right, especially Google Help. Google help, and of course we will approach by it as well. Now here we have to tag on here, especially tab, and therefore of course we will go for it's related to other emails, so of course we will have to pick those emails. Now here we will have to make the appropriate answer concerning your accounts. Add another email to the Gmail, especially accounts. So you can go for add, because if we add the alternative email, then also we can reset of the password. But right now see here is if I say Android and these things, here is not giving any opportunity to add there. So in that condition, what can I go for? Can I backs? Yes, little more we will have a backs. Now here, if this opportunity is not coming, so then of course you will have to come in here, that's the here, see, consign your Gmail accounts, just go for these options. Now we will have to pick that someone else is using, and someone else is using means help to the secure your accounts and help to the secure in the account. Here just we will go for review one account, especially that what will happen, find out if your account has been hacked, and of course now as we see here, if it comes, then we will have an opportunity these steps to especially further. So let's see, a little bit slow this device is working. Now these steps too, on that we will have to tap, and we will come on announce in the recovery page, guys. Here in the recovery page, of course we will have to type this ID, that let's see what was the ID that I was in a recovery. Let me have, so actually yes, it was the ID that of course Goft Toma it was, right? So this area especially, of course we will have to come on especially on this browser, that is especially this so browser. So now we will of course tap on here, and this area is particular. So now we will have to go for here next, guys. Here see what will happen here. Now here of course we will go for tap here to try another way. We don't have the passwords, now the phone number is essential, that 2 digits, but we don't have, especially we don't have the phone number because we have lost this according to especially viewer in a way that is suitable for the viewer and the targeting. So here now we have a third option, so that especially more tips to recover your account. So try again, can I go ahead? No, don't go for here. Try again. Why I'm telling you, because they also have actually forwarded, and here also I'm forwarding to. Why? Because if we go for try again here, then Google will track easily that I'm trying to recover in this area by a different browser, not its own Google browser. So maybe there is something false. So in that conditions, what will happen, guys, here is Google will freeze this account for timing for data privacy. So in that condition, don't click on here. Just we will approach the more tips to the recover your accounts, but not by clicking on here. Yes, in this thing I will do by cutting from here. Of course we will have to come in a setting, so that Google will especially I'm of course get it that I'm then especially I'm so the holder of this accounts on the particular. So now where can I go for? In the Google service we will have to tap it, and here we have options, that is especially see here Google Help. In Google Help, what we will see here we will have to write, that is a yes, lost device, lost or stolen, right here. So now we have option that is the lost and stolen device. Now as we see here, what will happen, there will be options to the fix option this thing. So let's see, it is taking time. Of course we will go for here fix, and after coming on especially tapping on, now we have especially here, see it's taking time. Of course we'll go for accounts recovery is too, of course see here importance that especially recover your accounts, and if you see further they stolen and lost your device, and in there remove your the passkey, and there is especially further see contact your administrator, and here let me backups option, send the trusted device, get a new phone from the carrier, and here is especially recover this account. So sign out of your stolen device. So these things we cannot go change your Google account password. So if you click on a change your Google account the password, don't approach in this option. Just more appropriately answer is here that of course we will come on a especially directly on a these steps too, especially on there, especially what will happen guys, just we have the recovery page and here this ones. Now what will happen guys, here just we will write here that's particular ID that we wanted and see here nothing, just we will have to worry, just to tap it on especially just next and without having to do anything. Now see here, just simply we are on here, we have two options, either we can change the password or we can go for continue. So if you go in a continue, what will happen guys, you will have a space line issues that Google will trap you, it's verify you in those options there, it's verify you options there, verification of your OTP of registered recovery email and recovery phone number you will have to especially, but right now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number also, so according to the situation we will have to move that. Just click on a change the password and after having that, so what will happen guys, let's see. Well, we have new strong opportunity to create a strong password. Of course we can the produce here new strong password and confirms the new password, and after changing click on here that yes we will here nothing, just we will come on this visually yes manage your accounts of particulars this, and after coming on here you will have to go in a security center, add the recovery email and recovery phone number. There will be one blank. If the recovery number a phone number was added there, then go with the special alternative email, the recovery number and the phone. After resetting, of course we will have no options that is especially to change once again whenever you want, and after changing once again second time you will have to change the password that by adding their email, adding their additional phone number and get that particular yes OTP and the phone, the reset everything so that, and according to that your requirements. Yes, and then further, this is kind of incident what we are repeating again or happens again with you guys. So this is all about the finally this idea has been recovered, and one thing more that this idea we will have to deliver to the audience show, a viewer show on a special live experience where we can or the Chris and the special or producing the strong password because it would be in the public domain guys. That's why actually, but now yes, interesting to do it. So I'm going to screen off, so because on a screen we cannot do these things because it would be in public domain as I told you. This is all about any kinds of query. First, please drop the query in the comments box, and the pleasure would be mine to reply your query. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.